Welcome back, grade one. Welcome in your science lesson. And again, this is a new session, a new term, term two, and it is the first day of week 13. And the first day is the first day of the week, right? Now, what we are going to learn in science, I'm going to tell you in it. First, tell me, where do we all live? We all live? Yes, we all live in our homes, but our home is in particular country. That country is in a province. That province is in a continent, right? And where that continent is, but actually where we all are living. We all are living on a planet. This is our planet. And what this planet is called, it's called Earth. Our planet Earth. We all live on Earth. This is where we are living, whether we are living in Pakistan, whether we are living in Canada, whether we are living in UK, in America. We are living on the planet Earth. We all are living on this planet. And that planet is called Earth, right? And from where do we get heat and light? We get heat and light from the sun, right? The sun gives us heat and the light, right? So that means that this is our planet Earth and we get heat and light from the sun. What are these three things over here? These are the stars. When do we see the stars? We see the stars. Can we see stars in daylight? No, we can only see the stars at night time. And what about the sun? When do we see the sun? Can we see the sun at night? No, we will only see the sun in the daytime. Very good. So our topic is the planet Earth, sun and stars. In this unit, we are going to study about our planets, then we are going to study about sun, then we are going to study about stars. So this is a very interesting topic in which you are going to know about your planet Earth. Now you see, when we look at the Earth from space, right? If we go to space and we will look at the Earth, we will find that our Earth is surrounded by other planets also. There are other planets also. Okay, so now I'm going to show you a picture in which you can see different planets, right? Because these planets, they all revolve around the sun. They go around the sun in a circle. They keep on moving around the sun. And how many planets do we have? We have 9 planets all together. How many? We have 9 planets all together. And those planets I'm going to show you right now, that what are those planets and what are their names. Okay. Can you all see my screen, children? You can see here, this is a big sun which is in the middle, and all the planets are surrounding the sun. They are revolving around the sun. And what the planets are? You can see Mercury, Venus, this is our planet Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. These are how many planets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 planets, including our planet Earth. Right? Do you understand? So let's read their names again. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune and Pluto. So you can see they are surrounding the Earth. They are the sun. They are all around the sun. So you can see, children, the planets which are nearer to the sun will be more hot, whereas the planets which are further away from the sun, they will be cold. Okay? Because if we are nearer to the sun, obviously we will get more heat and more sunlight. But if we are further away from the sun, we will not get more heat and we will not get that much sunlight. So the planets which are nearer to the sun will be hotter than the planets which are further away from the sun, right? So you can see this is the sun and this is our earth. Now, right now you can see in this on my board that both the sun and the earth are very close. So that means the part of the earth which is facing, which is getting more sunlight will be more hotter than this part, than that part, than the part over on this side. It won't be that hot. Okay, so this is what it is. This is our solar system. The solar system comprises of 9 planets, in which Earth is also one of the planets. And the planets which are nearer to the sun will be hotter. The planets which are further away from the sun will be colder. So these planets are a body which are surrounding the sun. Right now, let's watch a video. Again, this is our Edwell video. Do watch it later on, subscribe it so that it's going to be safe and you can get more and more Edwell videos, right? So ready to watch the video, class? There you go. 1, 2, and 3. Can you all see my screen, children? Yes? All right.
Hello. Today's topic, stars, sun and moon.
All about stars, sun, moon and earth. This is how the stars and moon looks like
This is how
from the
stars
earth we
and
live
moon
in.
looks like.
This
This is how the Earth looks like from space. We are talking about space. Who travels in the space? Astronauts, they travel in space.
We can see Earth, Jupiter, a satellite, and
They
an
are
astronaut
traveling
here.
over there. Astronauts can visit the space,
but they
but
must
always
stay with the sun.
stay away from the sun. Right? They always stay away
Because when
from
the
the sun
satellite
because
comes,
sun
they
over
wait,
there it's
and when the sun
very
comes further,
hot. Cannot
they back
survive.
away because they know it's dangerous to stay close to the sun.
We can land here.
We can land
on
safely.
different planets safely, and we
We
rescue
rescued
ourselves
ourselves
from
from
sun
sun
burning
burning
us
us
down.
down.
So that was all about the how the Earth looks like in space. If you go, as I have already explained you, when you go in the space, we can see how Earth looks like from there. And over there, you can see different planets. There are 9 planets, and there you can see the planets which are nearer to the sun. They will be hotter as compared to the planets which are further away from the sun. Now I want you to write the names of all these 9 planets. I'll share the screen with you again. You may draw the pictures later on. First, just write down the names of those planets, okay? And since it is writing, so I'm giving you, let's say, 8 minutes to do the task, and your time starts now. Write down this Mercury, write down Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and Pluto. Written? Okay. Time is up. So that means what we have learned about the Earth, Sun, and stars, right? Now, let's revise and recap whatever we have done in the form of a presentation. I will show you this presentation and recap whatever we have done. Okay? The sun, moon, and stars. Okay. Now see what is the sun. Is the sun a star? Now the sun is the closest star to Earth. It is closest to the Earth. It makes its own heat and light. Like I have already explained you, the Earth orbit around the sun. The Earth orbit means it revolves around the sun, and it gives the Earth heat and light. Right? Now, later on, we are going to learn about the moon and the stars till here. So that we have done. So that means the Earth orbits around the sun means it moves quickly. You know, we all are, excuse me, we all are living on Earth. We on Earth, we don't know that Earth is moving. It is revolving. Slowly, slowly the Earth is moving. It keeps on moving. And that's why when it is nearer to the sun, we will get summertime. When it is a little away from the sun, we get winter time. It keeps on moving. This we have done in the first term also. Later on, we will discuss this tomorrow in our other lesson, right? Up till now, do remember the names of the 9 planets. Okay, I'm going to ask you this tomorrow in the next class. Do remember, learn those names. This is your only homework. I'm not giving you any other homework. I'll be posting this on portal. You may draw pictures of the names of those planets which you have written. It's optional. It's not compulsory. But do learn the names. You have to learn the names of all the 9 planets. Okay, children. Bye bye. Have a